look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. Yeah, very weird at times. And today's episode is all about why it is imperative to hear trains in the background when you're in an ambient studio, and bypassing all of that, I'm just gonna keep going with it. Oh my gosh. So, no, I'm not gonna keep going with it. No, we're gonna keep going with it. Okay, hit the button. No, okay. Why it is imperative for you to study other artists' work, to be inspired, not to copy, plagiarize, and I like that, and I'm gonna see what I can do. And here's a Photoshop and a Lightroom and an action and a preset. And blah. Don't do that. Don't cheapen yourself. Don't belittle yourself as an artist. Look at other artists' work and get inspired. You know why? Because you don't know everything. I don't know everything. I still go online. I still go to bookstores. I love it. It is amazing. I will look at books of all of the phenomenal photographers that are out there that are way better than me. And I look at what they've done and I dissect it. And I look at where the light is coming from. And I will just tear it apart. And then I'll look at stuff that I don't like and I'll figure it out. And that's what I do. Maybe that'll work for you. Try it. It'll work for you for photography, for filmmaking, music. Duh, there's like a billion artists out there. Totally check out a lot of other artists. Listen to CDs, vinyl, go to a record store where you buy a Sam Cooke album. Do you know the movie reference for that? If you do, post it in the comments. And yeah, that's really it. You don't know everything. I don't know everything. We need to be inspired by other people that are better than us. That's why it's so important to look at other artists' work. Let's wrap it up. It's going to be under 3 minutes. Okay, let's wrap it up. And that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365. If you're if you are a subscriber, congratulations, good on you. If you're not, subscribe, come on, and then hit the bell. Ding dong, be notified. I'll send a raven. Maybe I'll show up at your doorstep. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. Do you know what it is? I do. Ha ha ha. Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.